project about rainbow. Rainbow is a beautiful creation of nature. Rainbow is a wonderful natural scenery. Rainbow is made up of 7 colors. The colors of rainbow are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Next, Simli will explain.
Rainbow can be seen when sun shines, no rainfall. It always opposite to the sun. Rainbow is also a signal that rain has stopped. It is the symbol of happiness. People love to see the rainbow I too love.
Thank you. This project is guided by our English teacher, Sister Gyan. I study in class 5th A. Today I am here to present my science project about the creation of disaster. A disaster is indeed a sudden calamitous event that causes significant damage, loss and destruction to life, property and the environment. It can be caused by natural event or human action. Examples include earthquake, wildfire, floods, drought. Thank you. This project is guided by my science teacher Amrita ma'am.
Namaste, Adab. We are the students of class 6B. Today we are here to present our group project on unity in diversity, a beautiful feature of our country, India.
Yes, as we can see in our poster, India is full of culture, language and tradition, but even with all the differences, that's called unity in diversity. Exactly, let's show how we all are different but still one big Indian family.
I speak Hindi at home, but my friend speaks Tamil and my other friend speaks Punjabi. Still, we all understand each other and smile together.
I love dosa and sambar, but my best friend loves biryani. And my neighbors in Red Oak love that food diversity and yumness too. And also look at our festival. We celebrate Eid, Diwali, Christmas, Onam. We visit each other home and share sweets and happiness. Even with all these differences, we live together, study together and play together. That's why we say unity in diversity is the strength of India.
It means we may look different, look different or eat different, but our heart beats in our country, India.
We are like a garden with many different flowers. Each flower is special, but together we make it beautiful. We are proud to be Indian. We different. We are yet united. We stand as India. Thank you. This project is guided by our GK teacher, Miss Priya.
Good morning, everyone. Respected father, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Shubhan Sahu. Next to me is Aditya. We are the students of class 7. We are here to present our math project based on data handling. Aditya, do you know what is data handling?
Yes, I know what is data handling. The entire process of managing data from its initial collection to its final presentation is called data handling. Subhash, do you know what is bar chart?
Yes, I know. Bar chart, also known as bar graph. It is a visual representation of data using bars, varying height or length. What is the use of scale, Aditya?
In a bar graph, the scale determines how the length of each bar corresponds to the actual value. It represents use of scale.
Do you know in which topic data handling is based?
Data handling is based on number of families owning a car. These are the car brands.
Scale on y-axis, 1 unit equals 1 car. Do you know which is the most popular car according to you?
Honda Honda City is the most popular car. Which is the least popular car? Duster is the least popular car. Which are the two car brands equal to each other? Tata Hanger and Tata Nexon are the equal popular to each other. How many families own Honda City? 6 families had owned Honda City car. Thank you. This project is guided by उपेंद्र तिवारी सर।
ये प्राचार्य महोदय एवं शिक्षकगण और सहपाठियों, आज का मेरा प्रकरण है संरक्षण, जिसके विषय में मैं आरुष, आर्यन और अनुभव बताएंगे। पैदल पथ पार बाएं मुड़कर फिर आगे का अर्थ यह है कि यह सड़क में आगे उतार है या उसमें असमतल है। पैदल पथ पार का अर्थ यह है कि यह क्षेत्र केवल पैदल चलने वाले यात्रियों के लिए है तथा अन्य वाहनों की आवाजाही की अनुमति नहीं है। आगे अनुभव बताएगा।
यह संकेत सुरक्षित रेलवे फाटक का प्रतीक है। यह दर्शाता है कि आगे एक रेलवे क्रॉसिंग है जिसमें एक फाटक लगा होता है। 2 ट्रेन आने पर तुरंत बंद हो जाता है। मेरे बाद आगे बताएगा।
आगे संतरा मोड़ है। इसका अर्थ यह है कि आगे सड़क की चौड़ाई कम हो जाएगी। सावधानी से चलें। धन्यवाद। यह परियोजना कार्य मैमरूटी द्वारा निर्देशित है।
मेरा नाम अनुष्का है। मेरे बाद नीरज है। आज हम यहाँ स्वर विषय पर अपना हिंदी प्रयोजन कार्य प्रस्तुत करने के लिए आए हैं। नीरज, स्वर क्या है?
जिन वर्णों का उच्चारण दूसरे वर्णों की सहायता के बिना होते हैं उन्हें स्वर कहते हैं। स्वर के 3 प्रकार होते हैं: ह्रस्व स्वर, दीर्घ स्वर, दीर्घ स्वर। ह्रस्व स्वर, इन स्वरों के उच्चारण में बहुत कम समय लगता है। ह्रस्व स्वर जैसे अ, ई, उ, सी।
दीर्घ स्वर, इन स्वर के उच्चारण में ह्रस्व स्वर से दुगुना समय लगता है। दीर्घ स्वर जैसे आ, ई, उ, ए, ओ, औ। विद्युत स्वर, इन स्वरों के उच्चारण में ह्रस्व स्वर से तिगुना समय लगता है। विलुप्त स्वर का चिन्ह है। धन्यवाद। यह प्रेरणा कार्य हमारी हिंदी शिक्षक सुषमा मैम द्वारा निर्देशित किया गया है। Good morning to all. My name is Apitris Kanko and C is Premsimit. We are the students of class 8A. We are here to present our science project on the topic flora and fauna. Premsi, what is flora? The plant growing in a particular area are termed as flora. Aditi, what is fauna? Animals found in a particular area are called fauna. Okay, so we are going to tell about flora and fauna of Chhattisgarh. Flora of Chhattisgarh: Mahua, Sar, Teak. Fauna of Chhattisgarh are elephant, leopard, and jackal. Thank you. This project is guided by Ma'am Seema.